there is a participation that happens, a relationship, if you will, that draws you in because you're not just going for a ride, you're going for a drive. So one of the things that sets these cars so apart from their peers is the sound. All of the sounds of a 911. From the opening of the door to getting in, putting the key in with your left hand, the car starting up, the sounds of the engine, the snick of the gear shift lever. As you back out, you're going for a drive. And the cacophony of the world drops away. And it doesn't have to happen at 100 miles an hour. It can happen at 40 miles an hour. It can happen at slow speeds. But it's a graceful dance, if you will, between the driver and the car. All of that deepens the relationship that you have with the car. Each of those sounds helps drive the sound of the world away. The cacophony of the rest of life disappears when you awaken the relationship that you have with the car.